speaker. He is a facilitator to many self-designed meditation workshops with complete new information and healing technologies, a spiritual guide, an ambassador of meditative practices, and much more. His vision is to create a meditator in every home, and to accomplish this, he has taken an initiative to assist people heal from their issues through spiritual practices taught in various programs conducted through Soul Enlightenment Movement. As a Dhyan Guru, he has opened pathways to encourage people into the stream of meditations. And today he is going to talk, and plus he is going to make us the meditation. So let's welcome Sri Dhyan Raj Guru Cyrus. Please welcome him. Thank you.
Hello everybody. चाय बराबर पिया नहीं और यू हैव नॉट हर्ड मी थोड़ा जोर से बोलो हेलो राइट बेटर टुडे आई एम हियर टू शेयर सम टिप्स ऑन मेडिटेशन एंड फूड एंड ऑफ कोर्स the workshops that we are doing. Some pointers, of course, I don't have much time. To start with, there are people over here or in our universe who have a thought that meditation means nullifying the mind. Is it right or wrong? Right? It's like telling your heart, don't beat, don't pump the blood. Mind is supposed to think, so it's going to think. You can't tell the mind, don't think. You can train the mind to think or to focus onto one particular thing that is going to do good to you. And that is in short called meditation. Slowly and steadily your mind will be trained on something called nothingness. Sorry? सॉरी सो मेडिटेशन ध्यान जो हम बोलते हैं लोगों को ऐसा है कि माइंड जो है हम लोग ध्यान में जब बैठते हैं तो ब्लैंक हो जाना चाहिए और सब यही ट्राई करते हैं और बराबर उसका होता है ऑपोजिट आई एम नॉट सो गुड एट हिंदी यू विल हैव टू एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट होता है क्या उसका ऑपोजिट हम सोचते हैं हमको कुछ सोचना ही नहीं है और दुनिया भर के थॉट्स आते रहते राइट Then second step, नहीं, stop. So यहां से चालू हो जाता है. माइंड का कैपेसिटी क्या है? 4,000 thoughts per second for a normal person who is not in depression. Do you think you are capable to stop that? I am not. I don't know about that. Okay. Second thing, जब भी हम मेडिटेशन में बैठे ध्यान में बैठे पीपल थिंक के वो हमको वहां कहीं ऊपर किधर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना पता नहीं कहां पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ग्राउंड योर सेल्फ योगा इज अबाउट ग्राउंडिंग फूड इज अबाउट ग्राउंडिंग मतलब अपने आप को स्थिर करो ठीक है सो रूट चक्र बेस चक्र जो प्राणी हीलिंग वाले हैं यहां पे दे विल कॉल इट एज अ बेस चक्र द बेस चक्र हैज टू बी प्रॉपरली ग्राउंडेड अगर आप धरती पे रहते हो ना तो आप धरती पे बराबर स्टिल खड़े हो पहले ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर का जो आना है वो आते रहेगा हवाई अड्डे में जो हवाई किल्ले सब बांधते हैं ना उससे कुछ नहीं होता है सो ग्राउंडिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट मेडिटेशन करना है तो पहले पानी पियो देन अलाइन योरसेल्व्स अलाइनमेंट में क्या है हमारे बहुत सारे मरीडियंस होते हैं 72,000 नाड़ीज बोला जाता है if they are straight if they are proper in shape then you can absorb the universal energy for that you have to be aligned drink a little bit of water and then do the meditation so The first thing, the target of meditation is, as far as I am concerned, I don't know about others, is to open up the heart chakra to infinity. That is the only chakra that you can actually open up by visualization, by imagination, and by giving a command to the energy to open up to infinity. And it has got no side effects. उसका कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा नहीं होता है. आप बेस चक्र खोल दोगे तो क्या होगा? यू विल एक्सपांड. आप सिर्फ यहां से एक्सपांड हो जाओगे. आई डोंट नो द वर्ड इन हिंदी व्हाट दे कॉल. देन एक यहां पे दिमाग गर्म रहेगा. तो दिमाग गर्म होने से क्या होगा? आप सिर्फ सबको ऑर्डर देंगे, ये तू वो कर, वो तू ये कर. दैट इज अ रॉन्ग बेस चक्र. You cannot afford to open up any chakra up to infinity excepting to the heart. The moment the heart chakra opens, जैसे आपका heart chakra आना आता खुलता है, the crown chakra will take over by itself naturally, and it has to happen. You don't work for the crown chakra to shoot up and open. It has to happen. That is the right way, and that is the safest way. It may take few births for that. Be prepared for it, but start the work. Now, by the end of the session, like after 15 minutes or so, we will be putting up a meditation, guided meditation. This meditation is been practiced over by approximately 2,500 to 3,000 people. I have given it to many people free of charge, and I'm going to play it over here also. So I have got a less amount of time. In this less amount of time, I want you to know what are we teaching, or rather what we are sharing. The first thing is our foundation course, that is Soul Light Enhancement. In that, we share with the people the knowledge of how you can get out of your own problems, your own stuck energies, your own blockages. Like, I'll give you a very simple example. आपने सब किया, पूजा पाठ किया, पंडित के पास गए, एस्ट्रोलॉजर किया, ये किया, मंदिर किया, मस्जिद किया, पता नहीं क्या क्या किया, मन्नतें मांगी, कुछ भी किया, लेकिन काम नहीं हुआ आपका. फिर आप क्या करोगे? अभी मंदिर भी गए, एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास भी गए, सब कुछ कर लिया यार, बाकी क्या रहेगा? तो आप मेरे पास आ गए. तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊंगा? आपका कोई एनर्जी ब्लॉक है. सी, अगर काम नहीं होता है तो बाहर तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अपने भीतर ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. ओके. समटाइम्स, कभी कभी क्या होता है, दैट देयर आर कर्सेस, ओथ्स, वाउस, जो हम लोग ने ही लिया हुआ है. वो हम लोग पहले के पिक्चर में देखते थे ना, बहुत पहले के पिक्चर में हीरो हमेशा गरीब ही रहता है, वो भिखारी रहता है साला. यू नो द इंडिया, द स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया एट दैट टाइम, वी वर ऑलवेज अंडर प्रेशर. 1947 के सब पिक्चर देखो, हीरोज वर नेवर रिच. राजा वो थे, वो मर जाते थे. यू सी द सोसाइटी ऑफ दैट टाइम एंड यू सी द सोसाइटी ऑफ टुडे, बिकॉज टुडेज हीरोज आर प्रोजेक्टिंग व्हाट? Richness and glamour. Same way, there are energetic blocks like promises and oaths that we have taken. If I want to achieve God and spirituality, I have to be bloody a beggar. ये क्या लेके बैठे हैं यार? So these are the things which will never allow you to earn good amount of money. You may be working this much and getting only this much as a result. Whereas your subordinate or somebody who is not even half knowledgeable is working this much, is working this much and getting this much. This is one of the reasons. Because you have taken an oath or a vow. Then there is something called curse. किसी का मस्ती किया कभी किसी life में, and that person has cursed you. So these are different kinds of blockages that are in your life and they do not allow you to progress. This is how, in the first foundation course, we share the knowledge, or rather we teach how to come out of that. The plus point of our courses and workshops are, all of this can be done within not more than 3 to 5 minutes. आप जिंदगी भर करते रहोगे एफर्मेशन, लिखो आई एम रिच, आई एम रिच, आई एम रिच. एक तो क्या लिखते टाइम हाथ दुखता है, आई एम रिच, आई एम रिच, आई एम रिच. वो पहले ही मरा हुआ आदमी बोल रहा है आई एम रिच, आई एम रिच. कहाँ काम करने वाला हो? हम लोग सब थेरेपिस्ट लोग बोलते हैं ना, यू से दिस एफर्मेशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ मिरर. ओके, पूरा दिन वो रोएगा, यहाँ दुखता है, यहाँ दुखता है, वहाँ दुखता है, यार बहुत दुखता है, कुछ करो ना. तो ओके, आज से आप एक एफर्मेशन बोलो, आई एम हेल्दी. रोने के टाइम पे कितना इमोशन लेके रोता है ना, यहाँ पे दुखता है यार, वहाँ पे दुखता है, डॉक्टर साहब कुछ करते नहीं है, दवा भी कुछ असर नहीं करती है. सो देन वी टेल हिम, ओके आज से आप एक एफर्मेशन बोलो, आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. मिरर के सामने खड़े रह के बोलना है. वेरी रिलीजियसली दैट पर्सन विल गेट अप एंड विल स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. आई एम हेल्दी. मरेले के जैसा बोलेगा वो, आई एम हेल्दी, आई एम हेल्दी. अरे यार, गेट इन सम एनर्जी. Say with strength, na, I am strong and healthy. Add something from coming out from your heart. मैंने बोल दिया I am strong and healthy, तो वो उधर ही रुक जाएगा उसका गाड़ी. उसके दिल से अगर कुछ बात आती है, I am strong and healthy by the grace of the light, तो वो नहीं बोलेगा. Because I have told him, no. वो उधर ही अटक जाएगा. Because there is no energy. Therefore, affirmations don't work. In the case of meditation, sorry? The mental blockage anyways gets in energy blockage. As you say, you're right, there are two different things, but very well related internally. If there is a mental blockage, it is going to get in an energetic block. Because at the end of the day, everything is energy. We also tell them what comes out of your heart, you have to say that also. What is EFT about? EFT has a formula. Even though so, and in the end, I integrate and heal that part of me. I love and integrate that part of me. बीच का part तो आपको बोलने का रहता है. So that you are going to speak from your heart, whatever comes out. That the person doesn't speak. So we teach them. We teach them that when you are saying something, हमने जो बताया है वो आप बोलो, आपके अंदर से जो आता है उसके ऊपर ऐड करो. एफर्मेशन में वो नहीं होता है. When you start writing, एफर्मेशन में वो नहीं होता है. I am not against affirmation, by the way. It's a very good tool. Under any circumstances, I am never against anything because all sciences work 100%, provided the client chooses to heal himself. Okay? तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूं ना, मैं आपको क्या बता रहा हूं, आप समझ नहीं रहे, मैं आपको क्या बता रहा हूं. हम लोग उनको सब बताते हैं, आपके दिल से जो आता है वो भी आपको बोलना है, हम जो बताते हैं वो भी आपको बोलना है. यू गेट इट? नाउ व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दिस इज द फाउंडेशन कोर्स वेयर वी टीच द पर्सन टू बी. Or rather, we don't teach. I don't like that word actually. That's why I'm always reluctant to use that word. Teach. We empower the person and we show the person कि आपके अंदर प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप ही ढूंढ लो. हम लोग आपका सारे के सारे टूल्स दे देते हैं उसके लिए. By the end of the 3-day workshop or 2-day workshop, whatever it is, आपके हाथ में बहुत सारे टूल्स आ जाते हैं जिससे आपको पता चलता है कि आपके अंदर प्रॉब्लम क्या है. आपको किसी थेरेपिस्ट के पास जाना नहीं पड़ता है. एंड सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम बताने से कुछ नहीं होता है. मैं आपको बोल दूं आपके अंदर ये प्रॉब्लम है और उसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है तो कैसा लगेगा? प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाएगा और प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. सो उसका सॉल्यूशन देते कि अगर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, ये पर्टिकुलर फलाना दिखना मेडिटेशन करो, या ये खाओ, या ये करो, या वो करो. वी डोंट लीव द पर्सन लाइक दैट. नाउ सो दैट इज द फाउंडेशन थिंग. द सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट इज आफ्टर यू आर रेडी विद द फाउंडेशन, आफ्टर यू हैव लेफ्ट आउट quite a lot of your energies which are not working for you, then you are at the second level where you can heal others. Therefore we teach you how to become a spiritual channel. Nobody is a healer and nobody can heal anybody. Get that straight. Right. So we teach that कि आप आपके यहां से एनर्जी कैसे डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो, डाइवर्ट करके उसका सामने वाले का हीलिंग कैसे कर सकते हो. Then the third course is about how to get things in your life. Manifestation to co-creation. Then the fourth level. The fourth level has 3 levels in that itself, which have got higher levels of meditations where you can churn the energy for increasing your brain functions for different works that you want to do in this lifetime. Since we have got lack of time at the moment, and I want you all to go to a very basic meditation that I have given free to almost a lot of people, like 2,000, 2,500 people are using it at the moment. I would request you to play it, and you also can hear it. By the way, if you all want this meditation, my brochures are outside. You can take my number from there, and I can give it to you on WhatsApp easily. Free. We can start. Acha, one more thing. There are certain pointers in the meditation in the beginning which are irrelevant over here, like drink the water, stand up and all that. Just skip that. Okay?
This particular meditation, which is offered to you, is all about your self-healing, healing your own existence and your own life. For the purpose of going through it very easily and effortlessly, it is suggested to wear good quality earphones and lie on a very comfortable space.
Continue.
You may sit,
Close
on
your
a
eyes.
comfortable chair and visualize or imagine whatever is told to you in this meditation. For this purpose, you shall drink a small glass of water, sit comfortably, close your eyes, breathe in from the nose and breathe out from the mouth. Breathe in from the nose and breathe out from the mouth. For one more time, breathe in from the nose and breathe out from the mouth. As you now start breathing normally, you can visualize a beautiful ball of light exactly there in the center of your heart chakra, and a ray of light getting connected from your spinal cord, moving down, shooting straight into the core of Mother Earth. Simultaneously, a bright white ray of light shooting out from your crown chakra, moving upwards into the infinite light. This exercise is seeing to it that you are very strongly connected to the light and very strongly grounded to Divine Mother Earth. As you are now completely and fully connected, you can also say to yourself in your mind 3 times, I am aligned, I am aligned, I am aligned. By saying this, you are allowing the universal energies to flow through you very easily and effortlessly. You shall now concentrate exactly in the center of your heart chakra, where you see a beautiful bright ball of light expanding itself, becoming larger and larger and larger and larger. Expanding, 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 expanding. As the ball of light is expanding, you are going deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper into your own quiet and sacred space, allowing yourself to merge in this infinite light, becoming one with the light. You know for yourself that you are now one with the light. And you say to yourself I am the light. I am the pure light being, the pure light consciousness. I am the light. Being completely and fully one with the light, you have innumerable choices to release all that's not working for you and to replace new energies, new beliefs which shall help you in this lifetime and across every lifetime, across this existence and across every existence of yours. For this purpose, you are now going to say in your mind constantly, and you shall repeat all of these statements after me in your mind. I now choose to release every unresonating energies, emotions, belief systems doing no good to me. I allow the light. I allow the Supreme Creator of all that is, and I allow my universe to pull away, to transmute into light all those energies which are doing no good to me. I command every energy which is doing no good to me to move up into the light. It is commanded to every energy doing no good to me to move up into the light. I release, I release, I release, I release all of those energies doing no good to me. Simultaneously, allow the light to fill up my physical and energy bodies with new, bright, unconditional love and light. As I see myself very safely standing in the center of this infinite light, I can see that bright white light is entering into my crown chakra. Simultaneously, unresonating energies, grey energies are moving out from the sole of my feet and getting transmuted into unconditional love and light. The bright light is moving deeper into my body from the crown chakra, entering into the third eye, entering into the vital organs of my brain, into each and every nerves, arteries, skull of my brain, of my scalp, of my eyes, ears, nose, throat. The white light is moving in deeper and deeper into my body, and grey energies are moving out from the sole of the feet. The light is moving in deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper into the whole physical and energy bodies, into the chest area, into the shoulders, into the heart chakra, into the spinal cord, into the neck, into my elbows, into my forearms, into my wrist, into my palms, into my fingers. As this energy is entering into my body, I am relaxing, moving in deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper, deep into my own quiet and sacred space. And all of this is happening as I allow it to happen. easily and effortlessly. The light is moving in deeper and deeper into my body, into my heart, into my lungs, into my intercostal muscles, slowly and steadily entering into the solar plexus, spreading into my liver, gallbladder, pancreas, stomach, spleen, intestines, and the whole digestive system. The light is moving in deeper and deeper, entering now into my kidneys, into my lower abdomen, into my reproductive system, into my UTI system, and to my lower body, my hips, feeling relaxed. And as I release all the stiffness and pain from my lower spinal cord, from my lumbar region, I am feeling much lighter than before. I release into the light. All stiffness, pain, unwanted energies, emotions and belief systems into the light. As the light is replacing all of these unresonating energies, emotions, belief systems, the light is going deeper and deeper into my lower body, into my thighs, into my knees, into my calves, strengthening my feet, moving deeper into my ankles, giving me the strength to move forward successfully and safely, moving into my feet, into my soul, into each and every toes, and slowly the light is moving ahead, filling up my body completely and fully with the light. At this point of time, I can now see a wonderful shower emerging from the crown chakra, spreading into my auric field, strengthening my auric field, my mental abilities, and allowing me to grow spiritually. Further, allowing growth in every area of my life. I am blessed for these energies of the universe, of the light, of the Supreme Creator of all that is, to flow through me easily and effortlessly, constantly, across this lifetime and across every lifetime of mine. I say to myself, I am the light. I am the pure light being, the pure light consciousness. I am the light. I am the pure light being, the pure light consciousness. I am the light. With this wonderful feeling of love, peace, joy, and happiness flowing through each and every cell of my physical and energy bodies, I feel blessed, and I thank my universe for this blessing to flow through me constantly in the now, across this lifetime and across every lifetime, across this existence and across every existence of mine. I see myself as a huge, infinite, bright, white ball of light, a sphere of light, which is infinitely ever expanding up to eternity. With the strength of light, with the love of light, and with the joy flowing through the consciousness of each and every cell of your physical and energy bodies, you can open your eyes with a broad smile whenever you choose to and you feel comfortable. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Clap. Thank you. Now, next week we have got a workshop on food as medicine. If you want to grow spiritually or you want to grow in any field of your life, you have to be healthy, right? So, when I entered into this field of healing and all, of course I was doing a lot of energy work, but then I found out that food is a very important factor. From there, this whole thing of food as medicine arose, and today we have a very good functional workshop on that. Before ending this, I would like to give you a small tip on food. That is, people have joint pains, right? People have back pains. People have diabetes. और क्या होता है? Blood pressure, heart problems. ये हर चीज का एक, sorry, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. Of course, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's is, yeah. So I want to give you one broad spectrum remedy which is very easy and cheap. Cholesterol. क्या बोलते हैं? Blockages हो गया, एंजियोग्राफी करना पड़ेगा. Bypass. हाँ, then infection in the blood, infection in the intestines, infection in your what you call that bones, ये वो सब infection तो कहीं भी हो सकता है, viral, fungal, whatever, है ना? So एक broad spectrum remedy which is very cheap and good. पुदीना आता है मालूम है? Mint leaves. अच्छा, करी पत्ता पता है? करी leaves. 50 करी पत्ता, 50 पुदीना. 5 मिनट समझो आप एक गाय हो, ये पत्ते को साफ करके खा जाओ. अगर आप एक साथ नहीं खा सकते हो तो 5-10 करके पूरे दिन में 50 पुदीना और 50 करी पत्ता खा जाओ. दिस इज अ ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम रेमेडी. एंड जो भी मैंने आपको बताया ना, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ये वो, ब्लड प्रेशर, ऑल दिस विल गेट आउट ऑफ योर लाइफ easily and effortlessly. Okay, so we have got such spectrum remedies for many other ailments. As you said, Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, 10 ml of coconut pure unrefined oil will do the needful. By the way, time is up. I suppose I thank the Indian Forum for Alternative Medicine and Holistic Health Sciences, Sixth Sense Research Association and Holistic Medicine. I am extremely grateful to all of you and to this institution and to all of the people who are associated, and of course to all of you who have taken out your precious time and attended over here since last 2 days. Thank you very much. God bless you all. My number is 982072 1982. This is my WhatsApp number, which I never pick up. So you'll have to message on that number with your name and surname. All details will be forwarded to you. My brochures are there outside. You can please take that. In that brochures, we have got one brochure for prayers of forgiveness. Please take that, utilize it in your life, and if any other kind of prayers you are requiring it, put that on my WhatsApp. I can definitely give it to you free of charge. I can give this meditation also free of charge to you on WhatsApp itself. All I need is your name and surname and your message. Thank you. 10th and 11th next week. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Cyrus. Kindly please collect your memento and appreciation certificate.
Sir, sir.